Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got a lot of requests for Chainlink, and today I'm gonna take a look at the chart and give you my ideas, my predictions, technical analysis. If you have no idea where is this coming to, and if you are interested in Chainlink or if you're holding Chainlink, this is a video for you. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. There are a lot of new people coming. I really appreciate all the subscriptions, likes, and comments. And if you're not subscribed yet, please consider that. If you like the content, like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. It really helps to make my channel grow because I'm just starting, and I really appreciate that. All right, let's get into the chart now. So the very first thing that I see on this chart is actually this insane 618 Fibonacci retracement level, and I've been telling you guys how important this level, and I'm gonna tell you later. Actually right now I'm gonna tell you how important is that level. I actually measured it from the very bottom from the local bottom here to the local top. I'm gonna mark it right here from here to there. All right, so those are the Fibonacci retracement levels that came out of this huge movement from the bottom to the top. And actually this 618 level is so important because there's so much going on over here historically. It's not only 618 in Fibonacci, but it's also historically really important price support. And if we actually zoom more, if we go to the left side and we zoom, take a look at that. Take a look at all those levels, all those candles, all those wicks here, struggling to break, struggling, and we finally broke it, and we went down into a little bear market, right? So this level actually goes all the way to the left side, and I'm gonna try it to actually mark it for you all the way to the left. You see? So we have all these wicks, all those candles here. You can even see those weekly candles here. The closures are just in the middle of this level, and we go all the way to the right. And what's best? Actually, this is crazy. let's zoom this Fibonacci level. How perfectly! Look at that. It's literally perfect. It touched the level perfectly. I'm not joking. I put that on this chart before the movement happened. And what does that mean? It means that traders with a lot of volume actually use Fibonacci retracement level, and that's why it works. So what I see on this chart, we had this accumulation zone here that I marked in my previous analysis, and we actually broke it. And naturally, after breaking with this big movement, this accumulation zone is not valid anymore. So we had to establish another accumulation zone, which is here, all right, between 382 and 236 Fibonacci retracement levels. It's very natural for altcoins to accumulate after a big movement, to accumulate between those Fibonacci levels. And I gave you that order box in my previous video, and actually it was a perfect opportunity for you to accumulate Link. Unfortunately, Link hasn't moved big time yet. It was around 50%, let's say from the very bottom to the very top. It's only 90%, but it's still a lot. But in comparison to like Dogecoin or H-bar, it's not huge, but it's significant. All right. So we actually perfectly filled all the orders between those 382 and 236 Fibonacci retracement levels, and we bounced from this important 618 here perfectly. And don't tell me that technical analysis doesn't work. It works, all right? It doesn't work in case there's something really significant happening in politics, in the world, and there's some black swan event that affects all the markets. But when it comes to natural patterns of the price and growth, it works. It really helps, all right? It's not like it's going to work perfectly, but you can use those levels. You can use technical analysis to help you evaluate where and estimate where are the perfect purchasing zones, what are the supports level and resistances. And on this chart, I told you guys in my previous video that those two levels are perfect for purchasing, and this 618 level is the level where you take profits. Not all of them, but maybe partially. All right. And if you did so, your trade would be successful because you would have an average buying points around this area. And if you got it, and if you took profits at 618 here, you would be probably making around over 50% of profit on one trade. All right, with no leverage. Just crazy. Where else can you make that amount of money? All right. So right now, I see it, if we are able to actually break this important level, because there's a lot of resistance here, all right, at this level. If we actually break it like this and we successfully retest it with bigger bounce, I think we're going to continue going up. All right. I think there's not much resistance going up, maybe at this level right here. I'm going to mark it for you. That would be another resistance. That would be another take profit levels. You don't have to take a lot of profit, but if you take like 10, 20, 30% of the table, you can actually use it in case we have a correction. All right. So that's the kind of first scenario right now. I'm going to mark it again on the chart for you right here. But the second scenario is if BTC is going to go a little bit into a small correction, then we may see something like only because we tap those levels once, it doesn't mean that we're not going to retest it, because it's only one wick here, and we can definitely retest this level. All right, so be patient, never say never, especially in crypto. All right, because it's really volatile, and a lot of things are happening unexpectedly. All right, so if BTC decides to have a little correction, and if we go to fear and greed index, right now we're at extreme greed. If we go to fear or extreme fear on this market, on that indicator, we can actually have another correction going all the way down to this 236 Fibonacci treatment level, maybe even a little bit lower, but that would be the lowest points I would see on this chart right now, going from $14 right now at 15, going all the way down to maximum 8. If that happens, amazing, because we're gonna probably go up again, and you may actually be happy with more profit, because if we go to this $23 from this local top to retest this from the current price, that's going to mean a profit of around 57%. However, if we retest this support here and we go all the way up to the same level, it's going to be around 180% of profit. All right, 3-4 times more easily. So as I told you guys many times before, you make a lot of profit on the way down, not on the way up. All right, and it's safer, it's less risky, and you should be happy. The lower we get, the happier you should get. Actually, it's really important for this chart to go into fear, extreme fear, and this is a great indicator for you to estimate where and when on the market you could actually get into some trades. All right, right now we're kind of when we take a look at BTC, you know, it's really high RSI. Weekly RSI is entering overbought. Doesn't mean we're not gonna continue growing. We're probably gonna continue growing, but it's risky. The higher we are, the riskier it gets. So seeing some kind of a nice correction would be nice, just to feel safer. And actually, it's the opposite. People are like full of fear. They're afraid of actually buying some altcoins on the market when it's when there's a lot of blood on the market, when it's red. But it's actually the best time ever. You can get something. You know, you can buy something. And the more blood on the street, the better, and then the less risky. The more green you see, actually, you should get afraid. So you should switch that mentality, really. All right. imagine the candles, the bearish candles would be like green, and actually the bullish candles would be red. So red candles should warn you. All right. So this is what I see on this chart right now. I take a look at Bitcoin, BTC, Link chart, and it looks really good, to be honest, because we're really low here. So we're kind of like in this kind of like downtrend right here. But I think when I take a look at weekly RSI here, we can see a little bit of the bullish divergence. And if we go left historically, we see that was support. The support was broken. It was retested successfully, and this resistance became a support, and this support held another time. It held for a long time, for a long time, and now we are retesting it. So this is a really important level right here. So if you actually have, let's say, 10 BTC, I actually used to own more than 10 BTC. Unfortunately, it was all stolen, but it is what it is. Trying to gradually build it back, especially in this channel. All right. If you put like just one BTC here, and let's say if we go up only to this little support over here. So if we have a movement of like this, or your 1 BTC here will become 2 BTC over here. All right. So that's really interesting. And then you can actually sell it back into Link and have twice more Link coins. All right. So you can use that chart to actually buy supports using your Link and buying Bitcoin. All right. I mean, I'm sorry, using your Bitcoin to buy Link and then a swing trade, because you have more. BTC is volatile, and it's more volatile than like US dollar, and you can use that volatility in your favor, doing some swings, right? I hope you get it. If you don't, make sure if you have some questions, just comment down below. I'm gonna answer everything. I'm gonna open memberships too soon, so I'm gonna do like some private live streams, and you can ask questions and stuff. So if you're interested in that, it's gonna be on the channel soon. But for now, if you want to support my channel, just click subscribe. Just subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down below. Whatever comment you can do, it really helps for the algorithm. You can watch my previous videos, analysis of the coins that you're actually interested in. And yeah, I think that's it for today. You can go to my Instagram. The link is in the description of the channel or in the description of this video, and you can subscribe to my another channel, which is YinTrader TA. I'm gonna do some more technical analysis here. On this channel, I'm gonna focus more on squeezing all important information into one pill, so it's easy for you. But some extra things will be on another channel, some extra. You can, if you want to talk to me, connect with me, you can go to my Instagram account. You're gonna find it in the description too. And yeah, and Telegram. You can go to my Telegram group. I'm gonna post some additional info there, and just alert every time I post a video on YouTube. You will have an alert. All right, thank you so much. Again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't be afraid to put them down below. I'm gonna answer them. I'm answering every single comment. All right, have a good day and talk to you tomorrow. Bye.